Good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope you have been enjoying Corona holidays, right? Okay. And one more thing, students, don't forget to wear a mask because present situation, mask only task. Okay. Now, I'm going to explain an interesting topic, that is interesting villages in India. Interesting villages in India. So from this topic we will learn so much interesting facts. So without late, I like to introduce the first topic, that is Shatpal village. Shatpal village, it is from Maharashtra, and this village specialty is, it is famous as Snakes village. Snakes village. That means all the family members and children, they treat the snakes as family members, and each and every house has some snakes. They never beat the snakes. At the same time, children also, they play with the snakes. Very interesting, no? Right. And still now, till today, even today, single snake bite cases also not recorded. That is wonderful thing. Right. It is Shatpal from Maharashtra. And second one, Kodinhi village. Kodinhi village. It is from Kerala state. Kerala. So Kodinhi village is famous for twins. It is twins village. If you see one twin, we feel interesting. In case both persons, if they have same face characteristics like that. For example, in our school, from 9th A and 9th B, Jayant and Jaswant, both are twins, right? Sometimes teachers also confuse who is Jayant and who is Jaswant, like that. Here in this village, 400 twins are there. In a single village, 400 twins. That is the specialty of Kodinhi village. Right? Next one. Next, I would like to introduce another village, Barwan Kala. Barwan Kala. So Barwan Kala, it is from Bihar state. Bihar state. Now what is the specialty here? Can you expect? No, because it is bachelor's village. It is bachelor's village. You can't believe, from last 50 years, even single marriage also not happened. Right? That's what interesting village. This one, Barwan Kala. Why means it is completely remote area, no infrastructure, no road, no school, no hospital, no separate toilets for ladies. So no parent is interesting to send their daughters to this village. Right? So it is Barwan Kala, famous as a bachelor's village. And next one, fourth village, it is Shani Singanapur. Shani Singanapur. It is from Maharashtra state. Shani Singanapur. So here it is. This village is famous for all the houses and shops without doors and without locks. That is the specialty of Shani Singanapur. Even night time also, all the houses and all the shops without locking their doors, without locking all the shops. So that is the Shani Singanapur's village. Right? They believe that Lord Shani will protect to them from all natural calamities or any other things. Next, fifth Fifth one is Piplantry. Piplantry village from Rajasthan. Piplantry village from Rajasthan. Here what specialty? This village is famous for giving honor to female babies. In case new female baby is born, that family members will plant 111 plants to honor that baby, female baby. Okay? To give honor to that female baby, new female baby, that parents will plant 111 plants. Actually, Piplantry Sarpanch Shyam Sundar Garu started this tradition. And next one more village is here, Hiware Bazar. Hiware Bazar from Maharashtra. Hiware Bazar from Maharashtra. So why Hiware Bazar is specialty? It is millionaires village. Millionaires. From a small village, 60 millionaires are there. 60 millionaires. It's not a simple thing. Very interesting thing. So Hiware Bazar is famous for millionaires. Okay students, I hope you enjoy this topic, and next video I will introduce some more interesting facts. Okay, thank you, bye.